Okay, very good. So in this question, we need to expand and simplify this expression. So to get started, we will expand this first. And if you multiply 4 times 2y, you have 8y. And then if you multiply 4 times minus 7, we'll get 28. And then you go to the next one. You have minus 3 times 5y, which will be minus 15y. And next you multiply minus 3 and minus 3, which gives you add 9. So now this is the result of our expanding. Next we need to simplify. So again we do 8y minus 15y. That is going to be minus 7y. And then of course you have minus 28 plus 9. And of course if you do minus 28 add 9, you will have minus, I think that would be minus 19. Okay, so this is just the result of expanding and simplify this expression. Your result will be minus 7y minus 19. Again, I want to say thank you guys, and I hope to get your comments. All right, bye-bye.